All right, and pay Yama Obibia Kwabio and Famra say Obet Network. Yes, as usual. Oba, don't forget so bad. Also, Obet me as subscribing after also what you must share. Na Ode Amonia at me I share a Jumadian war. And I pay some of Dawson and my catch was and some of the tenants say yeah, the exclusive no. I want some answer about some of them slow. Say Opa say Jumadio Besu Yasene. Na Morocco akontuo onso ultimate ekwa mesro bomoria say 053 689 8536 053 689 8536 na onso watimi apelesi call na asa WhatsApp na so ori chat e reply na yetima e din komo enso atimi e de fana fiahwe ama bibia de enso emomolai yes emomolai enti obetima practice yes ha naja ya be hala na ya ha manema ye den enso atimi akoso wo yensense manase na anopa exclusive ho sesi ahemfa na Asante Kotoko choose sakoba sakaf anye baba responsible antuma ayehen be confirm the amount ayahaya na so wutie yes na won say anopa e inside Kotoko so obed e dia branch friend say ay Richard Bodu Agadas details no anso da tum e dia mamo and say no training grounds di eja opanyi confidence tu se menene da so no I encounter yes anopa for be bia beda ho Richard Bodu Agada to Asante Kotoko no did training gidi enya sam ketua we an coach Zito komana course on details na so be na mpese me ko back kra and so wo and team ni ba to omo preparation so my first story and Asante Kotoko team no be dey about to omo preparation so na dia me picking say one over ko Asante Kotoko training grounds almost a friendly game be ko so ma confirm the amount Gini pan a whisper the guma sumuno ana me di amount some painful when himself friendly game ever to fem na Accra Zito head coach at Asante Kotoko one the media team at Asante Kotoko Steve on the back come at me din komo na we no aye Thomas game ko bo ade che bo ko fan say Heart of Lions na Lions in fact omo hajin pa ene ne kwaro mani aka ohe and coach ogum ene no ko yo mo pando ene mo no ko yo mo boasena did tell you say game a difficult game at Asante Kotoko. What I say? And even the coach Accra Zito no grad cause I confirm it. Say game a difficult game at the moment. Now good news and say the same no cause and my personal more na eti returning eba be training at my club wa ye fan say Asante Kotoko. To benya goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Obenya branch fan say aye Chum Benjamin Obenya Aziz Haruna Dari and omo nyina aye full training Zakaria Fuseni Samba Ona a bunch of friends Harry Ansu Patrick Esiedu Joseph Amwa Musa Hamzata Jaza Emra Joseph Abro the only player one team and Johnny Senior team and omo and team anya training Joseph Abro and the only player our defense and I swear yeah one team and Johnny team no omo and so one team anya training list over Henry obey training obenya abranta your friend say eye Walid Nema Fuseni obey guys am chew no pay no full training tina do ebe full training I mean plus no more than united answer by I bet more morphine donzu Philip Amo who bejo Trevela man and no by Jimono entry I bet more full squad and no mun out grad just that Saka Dawuda understand the fitness level night and also had Edema Club no and don't forget say the same no ka say Shaibu Abubakar entime the entim and return here and also adaba ko day and also Asante Kotoko team na yaro some at the emam and so juma de no saka situation no hye bani abako yakwa the better situation and so better ebesi akọ wo Asante Kotoko prepare say am friendly game na ida say ene ana game ebeba so asate na team na mo ball dem confirm fama wo go nipa na say nipa na catch about so no dem pay for catch no I don't know the amount no. Friendly game possibility better for me. Our age sports comparison. Our so. But you quite you never to fem. No, you have said in my day. And so ebesiak war. Mommy come second story. Don't forget the house of folk. Oh, give a butcher. Amoni the hunters, Becham United, and the ever pim so our Nana for Sujiabo Park. Now, this is the situation. Has 20-man squad any year. Kevin upon Franny, hey, or a part. Adamu, Harry, Duku, Kevin or Sasibe, Sodoma Abbasi, Fede Kasare, Rafael Pansa, Martin Kakari, Hamza, Waki Jamana, Prince Ousukwabana, Mawul Wayo, Hussein, Ransford Mensa, Kujo, Rafael Anafe Enoch Esbonten, Abdul Karim Anafe Apia Sankiki. We have any place here. He said, I'm going to coach a fence, said, did it Dramani? And so, at me, and so I say, Oromocopium, Nafi, Amakobo game, enter Becham Junanta, Homachi, and a team, I want to do fin crying. I want to pay Kumasina fish straight away. Amakopi, Becham, now Amakoton preparation is enough. I want to set on a game, no. I'm also betting my bonnet for 1 year, not incriminating. And so, at my TV, some monocas, good as a husband and Kwansua, and a Pamanoca. I'm every Becham, nothing Kobo Moja, now I'm also set on 3 p. again, the tough man. I'm also better to have fun, Kumerako, our crying. Now, at my boy, I'm an amade, and so let's me across you. You're quite a test story. Well, put your friend and say, Accra Zito, and so what you might drink more. Towards game, I want a heart of friends, Equacobo. Now, the kind of coach I didn't come much as a game, a difficult game. Because Okwako see the experienced side, which is coach a friend and said, Bashir Hefford. And why are Jumana channel? And when the main man pa. And also the bragging right from a year heart of lions and so ever. Now, I know the only merchant I didn't go one cycle or more. Say African campaign to me, I'm not found too much for now. Because Quaran and Yakara in Freeman, I saw what you know, but attention at the Emerald League, you know, so. Says Yamanokas, Asante Kotoko, Takanakat, Target Pano, and I said, I can't say Ghana Piment on bed, I'm a bed, idea so manasso. Now, so bad you soon as I get out of the heart of lions, no, else you're toughest because free mine or hard Jane. Heart of lions, almost strike a free mine or back Kaya. Asante Kotoko and heart of lions, oh, Gaka top 4, a branch and a hard Jane. So, Zito Akasa Atimaja to me say, game a difficult gamer, why about me? And Robert says supporters, no. Mumra said, Mama support a calabono. Now, me person magic coach is a baby aka. Or Casa de new players on my back club on yet Sema Accra Zito head coach Adama Asante Kotoko. I did to the far. I get my Okobo Ediatia heart of preparation. And after injury situation, message or and so my fans in a bar. Jama Trasso and for coach Accra Zito.
You already said it about one of the best coaches we are having in the country. So definitely the mantle will be with the players going to play. How they will go according to the instruction given to them. And whoever have the right decision with his players will win the game. So I don't see that we are going to play. He's at the bench, I'm also at the bench. So it all comes to the attitude we are going to meet him with. I heard them talking. They say at all costs they win. So it makes us also change our effort, change our attitude. I just talked to my boys that they should forget about Africa for now. The most important thing is the league we are going to play. And the target we set for ourselves is to win the league. And we can't win the league if we don't win this. So it's part of those who should win, especially home matches. When we did the sizing on the table, you see that every home match should be a win. If there's anything at all not here. So this is the mentality we are going to meet them with. Yes, you saw me after our prayers before the section. I drew their attention to that, and I will tell you practically I'm also part of that problem. When I was with Dun FC, some others have the same problem. Mr. Trema had the same problem. So I think it's another factor. So I told them for now, we are thinking of Heart of Lion, or what you did against Kwara United should be put aside. Kwara United is not part of it's now history. So we should make sure that if really we meant business by saying our target is to win the league, then we should beat Heart of Lions. So I don't think that complacency will come. Requested the club to find a way for us to play our junior team tomorrow day to do the sizing, to do this thing. But at the end of the day, they've not played against with Kotoko there, but they've played against Kotoko there. So I think most of them are experienced players. We went to Kwara. Kwara had a large number of supporters on the field. Now we just forgot about them, and then we concentrate on what matters best, is to play and win. So I think it's a factor, but we will not let that one to hamper our target. No.
Yeah. Coach, you have seen the good days of Kotoko where supporters troop to the.
I think without them, there's no Kotoko. And the number 12 is very, very important. So they should come and be patient with the boys. We are keen and we want to change issues. And without them, we can't do it. So we are all begging that they should come and then be patient for the whole 90 minutes. See how we are going to make them happy when they go home. But without them, no. Whatever happens until the end of the game, they should be patient.
Whoa, Ray Enisema head coach Adama Asante Kotoko. On the Kotoko media team, Edin Komono, and also at media to what Jatum said, game and say a difficult game. They answer 3 points on what Peke. Now, Etima Bonafe club, and Etima fan to my parent and so Timefra. Now, coaches say, oh, your fans, and I be support club now. Guswana support until 90 minutes. What I say, support the club until 90 minutes. Na entimi mwana Asante Kotoko nyere emfa no tuma panyere enso entimi fra to we ene se ma coach fence Abdul Karim Zito ede tu jama boy chire kama enso entimi edi amamo mame ko me last story na di omunie sesi no Baba Sports Stadium aya topic ba ko a week mu agye no me gena pa na asate now demo pick on the grounds and he said Sekobasa calf and pain for Angie Baba sponsor antim antuma. Miss Otiamie. And you confirm. But a deep source and I pray that to me now. So say Asante Kotoko and second Baba Sports Stadium. The next venue and paying for I choose Accra Sports Stadium. Miss Otiamie. And you confirm. But dear Openikese bia pere to me na so na me de ema. Say come on no so wate from deep source. And the ema man say paying for decided say Accra Sports Stadium at the next venue Asante Kotoko paying for be choose in case of say Jabara Sports Stadium call for paying for be head of man jam tuma. Amuri game na enso ebetimako. A hard dream. Dream papa some way. So Kotoko pa mamu game no. Ewo enia je kan say Baba Sports Stadium. The effector club no ebenya no. Ebia we support na wo tiechira ohun ni sa. What I say? Ebia we support na wo tiechira onye dey ohun ni sa. Dream. Because the revenue sika club no ebetimenya. Sika conference me tonso o stadium no me ebetimenya. Farmer Krabi, Fire teaching Kafway, Westica Mobetima, Ebetimania, a boost economy no, was Obia Peso Bastero, a better work, place, Obi mentality no. Obi Bastero because Asante Kotoko club and Ayakono. And it's one pass here and penny and pass and your penny prayer to Manasa Sanetia. No, what Kotoko support is more than why they mud omuhamo mahawamo me de meka o de bia me betena meka Say so pa say mpɛn fam ya mo game e Kumasi a. I don't just Kotoko be win e chawa e Kumasi. But just think about other side. Ola chance din. I don't say oh you be a. Oh you Kotoko supporter so support club ne pa. Chance din na ya nkonta na hwade. Chance din na ya konta na de hwade. You know. Johnny. Until the next venom pay for choosing no, and I'm the idea to him and no. To say Baba Mo send more and ye a jam paying for so. Don't forget to subscribe and find a point wash share. And pay better say Kaklebi, near the Yamamu. When ye Debbie Kakrebi, near Bodge Edia Mamunti, Sanity. Yeah, the more about faith training ground suba. The more everybody here so best subscribe and I feel so they also what him say contract issues, you know. Some money come out of Edamanim. But Yanfasha Dafufro. Yanfasha Dafufro. May the contract issues won't some at about 2 money. One player be a yes, one player be a good news. Don't forget to subscribe and I for the ones what him say.